bakwani lyabo semwaru bonombu yere bakwani lyabo abana bonombu yabale bakwani lyabo kero montombu yare bakwani lyabo enya magogiye moya beke sitoe enya magogiye moya beke sitoe enga ngora mabuya igo tenga ukwebaja kugicha tondaja achinda nchankuna tenga bogeka otenge buya ochike nyanyuma kugicha tondaja akenta urutae eni amagogie akenta urutae eni amagogie abana Chenkor kunga MC Miki champion onde ganirira
my body beat Nigeria so boy me down on the place me and me now that time everybody want man steal now the clubs down pop down tons down beyond now listen crawl on bad mind a hot boo but ya bate mete ngache tingo chande no rabo no baki muno muisio mesa that's all every day just on my way in my mind dance all on my body dance all hey girl Nigeria shake your bum bum shake your body turn it up o tu me go dance out tari corosa nine do Nigeria
Ding 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 ding. Oh, body baba, body baba,
amashabiki aito akimoto sabere kana mobakanie batige gotoche ya busaigo amashabiki aito akimoto sabere kana mobakanie batige gotoche ya busaigo Mwana lija nionieki Okebisa Kwa libunya ikoma manga Yora bete chiamani yage saranapwe Society Yebo gamba Murako Raba tinde mumubeni na umuni kwetapo Irumali yabo girango mweresa Kurunya meru wako Vito geto vidole tiza Korera musacha Bono Aminto na matoja tuwa ichana na ki Mundu ukuli kilo bisiyete Wasari ni kuwabutiri uwachireka Iwako anda kuyikora naenda kao bisikando ukuruka Alisi waka kule Tebi ya bandu umaene yaya Jena janga ikora bisiyane kurupuga na iga Abantu ba manyobo maene Mundu atebu Koraiga Umio motu Paragaka Pa Tenayo kuja kwa umio mwalioe Unabone kartoka soma sebuku Uranu Karunya sabo tebi nunga yaya Nu Tebi abantu baga chukwate mburangoche Mburangochere Bantu baga chakwa kachukwato iko Unda ikanjera Ateba ya ukuna kutumaina Unda chikoja ateba Hani Ukwato bukute nuto kwa achira Bambura bae Yaya Totige Batiga Bae na kwa jaka plato kandi kando One kere mburego chomuera Ikamanya kubasomba Ikabasomba kabuato karikado kama sabu kamera kabuato kakubute Amacha kasomba Korerano tarera moko mwando Mariamu ngina Yesu ngina tata Korerano tarera moko mwando Mariamu ngina Yesu ngina tata Yoga soka boge tutu aliake gogie Aliangongoro Omochebo mwando bokanyimbo Yasaga gosesenya moko mwando Yokanyora bana bane abamura Yoka moibora getate nagichana Oya besyo mali bana nyangau Korerano tarera moko mwando Mariamu ngina Yesu ngina tata Omui watuoni Wali umuyone Isale Kuna kangalia Chemi siyo tuoli omokanyimba pole na yasogo sirima momino Usibasirire abange mono Taliboge tutuoka basirire Usibasirire abange mono Taliboge tutuoka basirire Ebakule bogirango bomachoge Bonjari nyari bari nabo basi Enyamia bogirango yari atente Enyamuyo mambia gatonyora Kurwensemo yabo bembe bogichora Filipu misadika memba gasira Ababembe bakirete minto moiwe Mongirake mundo solera gasira Aliansemo bosamaro ekianungwe Tundu balie Nyange na otwabe agatonyura Korerano tarera moko mwando Mariamu ngina Yesu ngina tata Video nyacho keiga Dennis Kingoina Mayenga Nyansanda Wani Robert Kingoina Kumba Isurura Mwana chow na wanjete Korensemo yabo basi alia sameta Mora onye malio chirera gasira Korensemo yabo basi alia sameta Mora onye malio chirera gasira Korensemo nyali bali galia chache Elicha ororo nyangera gasira Toko irana boge tutu galia iranda Sagara yaranda baito yasire kolia mangana e moko mwando kwa umero yonenere gakoyaria kwale kolia mangana e moko mwando kwa umero yonenere gakoyaria obe mwana nkwani genya ngauye getonto obuyobo kanabo abayo Costa Mainga chinkororo Murgi aja kurwani chakina wedding sirunga baros kitiri sabaya Johnny Omanga wanga safani cha suneka biroge biya igakorosia amano mwana mabuta Kennedy Tungo evundiye chirede legitivi tenda alia wane lipita soniongo sawa mona kireki makani kama ya ebiriga alia kwani mwana arasa tinda mwe bachasta sisa keke gogi momongera maiga aboigene risagero bikundo mo uyobokano aeta tatingu kweba ndugu yangu kwandendera chemisi okinda abuko songo on chisoda abuko ange mazati wana gasira Steve nyanga ubona gatonyora Mungina Mariana bono tokumya Igisoni gichana bono tokumya Yabese mariba bono tokumya Bakanyimbo bogetu tulemereria Emira ese mojende koezana Makweli na bale zeye yonsi Onduko nyamo ibona gasira Omwano kenyalia kamo bwatia Kenyalia manyene osirire Omambia gasira Agonyo wasi osirire Mokamo muroya kamo bwatia Gasora maroro osirire Nyaenja osate nero kure Kanini osimba osirire Echoni mageke osirire Kwenga kaya mabwango wango Habana sunguzia tuwa ile pole Kwenga kaya mabwango wango Habana sunguzia tuwa ile pole Aki no mongwano icho ni megeke Aki olengo mwenye biasara kwe ichomba Abu agasira ikabune agosoria Mwencheku mangale baga ichana Baga kumiga aki Abayi gotomu buonyi Alia edeni Musacha wayo no mokungu Moweka noye Munguru agatonga mwanya bantu Alia edeni Musacha wayo no mokungu Moweka noye Naendera karwa chisemi Nubu ngaini Amokolera matukonsi Asowe kuwense Naendera karwa kobuwa Alikindi yonsi Singejo nyokugani okowe Barago bagasaria Omokungu agero komo ngaini Agitangarika Batangana guchia mugondo Gotwa matunda Kanyole italia mugondo Eka mungaina Asingi chalengo moriri Agachirana Kanyole italia mugondo Eka mungaina Asingi chalengo moriri Agachirana Lochandigite, nonya ni chinyumba tomenyete Omolembe tuyo Nachoge koera bantu baito Lochandigite, nonya ni chinyumba tomenyete Omolembe tuyo Musaja nujo omutindi Etu kunyara Mukungu konyomete ni chiombe Nerukugamba Musaja yenu chungororo Unalitosi Ayonse wana somo kungu Nigenga busa Ekero kubuka mambia Koche miremo
Mukungu chake gesirani otararia kende Ekero koboka mambia Ochimirimo Mukungu chake gesirani otararia kende Chari siungweli nyangu eso magena Bakungu bande wano babeire Chisese chimbe Nigo bakoli ya basacha bakungu bande Bakungu bande wano babeire Chisese chimbe Nigo bakoli ya basacha bakungu bande Batira basacha babo Baraire buka Bachire koli ya babande Obororo gaki Inyora kore tiro borwaire Ayo mukungu Kore teriyo mogako Mwatira bana Abana bageki babangaina Oita basacha Nariyo baranyoreri bagari Utarabuwe Abakungu changa Sembechi ino Abandi ninwe nambeyemo Asubunyaka Omogaka kwa muingi changa Bakerutinda Erinde kwa nyorari bagari Okubikora Omukungu nikiyago chanda Utarabuwe Nyora yeya yekwariete Kero kinyaki Omukungu nikiyago chanda Utarabuwe Nyora chire kwariete Kero kinyaki Mwengi changa igo Mwari oye Intune vinga gokora Shoko ya nesemo ya basacha Imulike Maneni gomo nga bakungu Emenu emetambe Shoko ya nesemo ya basacha Imulike Maneni gomo nga bakungu Emenu emetambe Nilokwe mokango chabone Somo nginone Kero manyete tindi yange waja kumungaina Kwa motelia baba umusubati Omusacho Nigona motiga segete na bakungu bande Naende bana kwa motelia Chibesa mwate Chiaerere asama kembi Ingo chale busa Omwalio bana kwa motelia Omusacho yo Inoche ngata goko nyara Nijenda kulende Shiringi 100 Ochire tinga Tumbirane chuma mosi Tugamba mange Shiringi 100 Ochire tinga Tumbirane chuma mosi Tugamba mange Omusaja nikiyago chanda Tigobo geki Olera muka ochiyanga Wekano yone Omusaja nikiyago chanda Tigobo chinga Kaonere no mokungu Nonde wensi Abasaja bande bamanya kuimuka abanene kabisa abantu abanene babwatebesa abwate gari aya igo omwana obanda akembe tutumire sukuru ubeke gari ime wenda omwaji stare mutali chitaoni igo omwana kibisoero bindi omwana yatali kuja kumanya omwana obona omwibo ligakatire sukuru akale omwana ne taoni akale kutata omwana uli okarazegete omwana osale kabi ono gagoje no ne sukuru za biteri baso igakone gusaba ndi umwalimu wagoje gukora ngene kumbira nyale bango angolere chibu sigarusi ikombo be bobe ono
mani bo maene tali bobe nko batebi ane mo bora buna nakwa na bobe gato sema ni asobo maene endwali ya chire nembe endwali ngo titolera abantu shauri yenu yo koli bobe shauri yake ono nje na raiga eliyo bana ndaba abasacha bonsi byaba mura abasaese muabeta akikamura nje na abasorolire sibakisese chaino nabangi nabasubati mwezi kiase muabeta sieke bita kai ese abeire bobe kai ikayaba chiro cha amagugoro iga maguri goro no ene chibuti kitakiri ene chibuti ko kobe ke kayabe ko betelio kayaba chora ono ngusitole ya baba mano baba monya getinga ese itonguzi na ibole toma husi ense yo mwando ese itonguzi na ibole toma husi ense yo mwando engakana nilya nyasa lyalete Israeli yo mwando engakana nilya nyasa lyalete Israeli yo mwando batohaliro balito bumbu ya mona enyasae batohaliro balito bumbu ya mona enyasae kile yozi togo simeka niyo gekwa matata mbu ya mono kile yozi togo simeka niyo gekwa matata mbu ya mono Chinde nigo bakolera mburete yo chara yoka Chinde nigo bakolera mburete yo chara yoka Bani nigitare bamenye temburate yo chara yoka Bani nigitare bamenye temburate yo chara yoka Bani numuchanga igoro mubaso munge chara yoka Bani numuchanga igoro mubaso munge chara yoka Embule mochani etwe nyinge mechando bororo boka Embule mochani etwe nyinge mechando bororo boka Yairati nyumbo bororo bonga bande bakwane ni
Haya wananchi moja kwa moja call to order please. Wananchi asante sana kwa kufika hapa leo jioni, and we want to welcome you as the Grand Granite Diaspora Circle. It's a day for us to have fun, we share together. Moja kwa moja nitawapeleka pale nyumbani Isinya Farm, where we are going to meet Uncle Fred Machoka Roga Mukisina Mukisi AGR, the crew, and the Grand Granite Diaspora friends on the ground. So Bwana Ontiri, if you can switch it on. Are you ready? Working on the lightings over there. Ngojea kidogo tu.
Ndio soko ya.
Lakini wewe wana wako mkana Nairobi yoka.
Makonda ya check.
Makondo. Makonda na kiaba une Chikambi. The year is 1995.
1995 technical mubate lyo yeri.
Chikambi alo technical.
Aro abagusiba wametononoka ali Minneapolis. No metera kini Minneapolis. Wameumbukana. Baumbukanire.
Metega Swahili ni kibantu.
Yes.
Neke gusi amangana yeke Swahili aruete asegentoki. Aseke gusi.
Yes.
They borrowed. Ege ntobune emesa.
Emesa.
Aba Swahili bakarati kamanyero ke mesa.
Mesa
Emesa. Engombe.
Ngombe. Abagusiba ikira ali Minneapolis. Asebale to abakwanire kabisa.
That is about 12 to 15,000 kilometers.
Korwa? Chi miles tata.
Miles, pardon, kilometers.
Yeah.
Miles kilometers. Chichiete akachemi.
Kole mumbuto ligote aba kilometers. Miles. Kole mumbuto ligote aba niweke petroli. Gas. Yes.
Chigari chigotumiere gas.
Gas tata.
Gas.
Yes, gas. I'm of the same thing. Lakini bono the same intonation.
Okay.
Petroli eri yako
gas.
Kole
mumbuto ligote aba kilos. Oteba ki.
LBS. Wado mungwana migi. Story ere na igwetenga 10 sana.
Story chane chinyinge.
Gano metengo liareke.
Ni aramiane amariogo.
Pole.
Gano metengo liginde nyaruka. So anyway migi
pono kale gali chisemo chine chamagenche.
Magenche ne what ne constituency
ne what.
How many patients?
What? What is just
elective
ward. Pono his competitor
Migi
Moteri. Oyokorie Kerogo kya MCA
Moteri
kya MCA
Moteraki
Ntuaruara
ngo
wala his competitor gocharo sera esi datali abuere mimi akwenda mwe sasa bantu Nerozerwa.
If you can't beat them, join.
Tata goserwa. Agwake kabutieria nare na kara king. Wake kabutime. Oakas igoso abaso mongwano ria gosera ante mie. Nando line gario myoka the next center.
Mwancha goseru. Ira na kote. Mwancha goserwa. Penda policies za mtu.
Yes.
Usipenda nini? Pesa, musiangalie pesa.
Lakini ni sera. Nechi sera okorigereria.
But anyway, abana ba minto asemwa beta oyo no musimu bwo seru gusi.
Yes.
So nyole kolega bumumbu maisa orochenga ebesa nere kwaganyerete teligo swabune utete. Come back home. Otokare go serwa. Look at us.
To serire. We've been serward. We've been posho milled.
Yes.
Na andi go tolebu ya kabisa. Bono ometango.
Misoli.
Osonira.
Ni sonire.
Pole.
Komtorole choose.
Pole. Ango mumbu tore.
But you must tell them what happened na seki totally mumbu.
Because ndege konye okigu.
Ndege keikiu teragwa. Ekamba
ninete bado.
Chipirot bado
nchiro. Omongino lio korundia ndege bado naro. Why you not in Minneapolis?
Tell them na seki because people expecting ingana gi. Bitukolia rero onango nigo bato saga na bato nyunyunte kabisa bato. Baite rietari okohage ke gusinde bwate.
Ogo samia.
Ogo samia. Ni attack when you
angle of attack. Mokumbatie.
kegusi ni kama Marieta na tobwati
kohag ntobwati kiss ko nyunta komis mismanagement
no
inere yota tamamisment.
Anyway, we have to tell you guys na seki tota cheretega buoge kora true story. We were on our way.
Yes,
true story.
Chiticket yechi shari kirwe
ya nchirinjige tikoli
chayari ge tutata
arali
chiria se twa chakerete gali passport ticket nero kwego counter na
ntwege ntotwabwa teneri rube.
Yes,
twabwa teli rube abana ba minto ticket ya ndege.
Yes,
it was guaranteed.
Yes,
to and fro front olishwa lakini tu
ya togo alitogo kwama togo kwama
be yangu kwama
togo kwama aliyometomete 2 kilometers every 100 meters omonya nyimbo no ale nechi camera
almost asiroti bwa serikali.
Yes, I want to know ingereza na likorobo. They'll be like, who is this guy? This guy doesn't look okay. This guy is pull over. I will test you.
Pull over
no bonus kigali kando paki. Tenena kwanza.
Who are you? Show me your document.
Anyway, proof of insurance. Warusi. I will test you. Tesa
munchande.
Chisindano gete chigo waka chiago sami bobe estima. Mawe.
Bali gogo
if you resist arrest bago go tesa bago tonga
ambia bambu ateke ko raba Kenya mbambu atete maega metiba go bwata ko maega
ngwana konyo abana. It's okay.
Anyway, tokatwara lirube libwate ticket accommodation ligoteba purpose of visit.
Yes, purpose of visit. Why are you coming to America?
What was the purpose of the visit? Lirube
ligateba purpose is to perform in a cultural event.
Yabagusi
that is given.
Bakamanya goteba we are an established circle.
Yes,
we are giving you the details of what was there. Tokatwara lirube tokateba ntubono talitwakole mechando
yalire
America, here we come.
Tatondane
na chande kire
Philadelphia tuachire
Philadelphia
Colorado California kira abantu bono tolegali te Portas of Mexico
intubono togasoko lichi Colombo nechi vest chiri kire Chicago Bulls kitogo etaga abo ebikoro tobira bikonyora na nyorera abana ba minto ebinebyangu kubikoro ku Air Force One
nanche konya na ligiri Toyota Camry na bate bringa ndigeri Toyota Camry umetaba gusio onde byanso kwenda America anaanza na Toyota Camry
eko Camry
now maite gali ne
Ari you is silent.
Oh Camry
tebo atribas
gali tebo atribas
nimbo siolioka wachire ngumbuto likoligere maega.
Very good.
Anyway,
and that was given,
so we told ourselves into igana lituatika go chandeka in the next 1 year even how we'll be speaking will be different.
It's different.
Give me morning.
Give me some,
my brother.
Oh, give me some. Give me some.
Some, no?
Oh, you want water? This water.
No, water. The first year that you want water. Abu bad no tora siri you.
Konye twari
kero kwa berre mono war. I need some war.
Konye twari paka chikamera meta hapa gusia bange every other time live on Facebook.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Nani chikamera twari abagusia bange koko America. You have to go live to tell us nothing.
Live, yes. Just ekoro kwe cam pro. Yes, konye twagolire cam pro just to be going live.
Right.
I mean, look at Robe.
Right for no reason.
You're just going right for no reason.
For no good reason.
Look at Hesbon.
Yes.
Look at Hesbon. Going live for no reason. So we were prepared. Toto alichita bicham tamangumbu na intu.
Gente que tanga ni ndoga na ngumbu
hapa mito. Konya kobori all the time. Abunsangapi. We were prepared.
Yes. Konya tomera leta mna wave. Send wave.
Exactly.
Send wave. cash up konye twamanyire mtobe nebyo
lakini ntwamete inki konyora saitani abana ba minto moyare
saitani no mobeti gabu
gitoko banganere nabange tayaye
are kanda tata
saitani no nere sara asinyirenga abu aseki inki ekote tabu weru
tokaenda se passport
chi passport abana ba minto nyore ko manyete Nyayo House the famous
Nyayo House
tuachire Nyayo House. The floor is 9th floor.
Yeah, 9th floor.
9th floor. Gaiga se tuetira ba epi balia.
Ba epi tu abe.
Bata chandire chimas.
Tu abe krechimas.
Bato chandire tu atebirenga ni sawa isoke isuruti gatokorege ntoki. Let us proceed.
Toliki.
We had all the documents abanaba minto. That is the time na nchena manyete indi mama ibole tu because I had to produce her birth certificate.
We call it Wekaze nyoko ningo. Who is your nyoko? Kwa mana gochaga bunga my mama is
when was she born?
Yes.
Iso?
Who is your Iso?
You have to prove. Nyore ko bwate nyoko. Iso naro. So such things for the first time the government we are interacting with the government. One matiani yago kobori. No bwate nyoko.
Yes.
No bwate Iso. No bwate abana.
Yes.
Are you married?
Yes.
Ano go sinyunga omonto yo menyetenere.
Yes.
Do we have any certificate?
Do you have any documentation?
We have 4 kids now. But is the government aware?
Is the government aware?
Next of kin.
Next of kin.
Next of kin. So I was like, by the way, in Lasira.
Ningo Korea Maria.
I have nobody. I have nobody. Can you behave? You must have somebody.
Next of kin.
I remember Kingo Kobeko Rorogi Kora Timbo at the end of
the yes.
Anyway, it's okay.
Yes.
Yes. Abana ba minto, we filled all the documents. The only problem is say achitega bwa soko nyore passport, no konyore passport yende bicha. Tuliangaika.
Egatoira about 30 days choko ganyaki.
Karatika tutara nyore kwerende.
Egendrabo no mogano yo.
Passport ye bicha. Abana ba minto ngatogolia kumbe kina kiegento na koreteki.
Nebete. You don't.
I forgot.
Torigotogolia. You don't.
Gana senge nchomo saende nere gabuo. Agote inga na bwate iPhone.
Ya bwana chiri biometrics batagete bunore ogotogori kingirete na rikoro the system cannot accept you.
Abana ba minto ni sawa ebunogonte lakini the reason as to why totagete bichane lingana ki ebinto bali bare ngumbu bago chabato tebia.
Yes, it's not
it must us. And I won't quote names. Never happens. It never happens. Anyway,
chifanye munyonge.
Toka passport. Tokaenda 9th floor. Tokaenda toka process your passport. The next day because Kenya,
there is nothing that is impossible.
You know they say money is not everything. It is the only thing.
The only thing.
Konye buate.
Passport yeye minyoka gari TS160 form.
Yeah?
A form eliwa ichiketi yako ku TS160.
Yeah, TS160.
Minyoka gari
immigration department.
Swali bona kama na gotokara.
Agatokara.
Where are you going?
Who is your host? Who is your host?
By the
way, who is my host? Sako cannot be your host.
Yes.
Yes,
I say I have selected street address, zip code, kiango.
House number.
Kenya is very simple.
Unaenda wapi?
Nairobi wapi? Hilton Hotel. Kayole wapi? Mrango Soko. Soweto. Kwa kolire. Alimba bwate namba ye street. Babwate gari omonto lyako gendi. Bamumanyete
social number. Obatagite.
Ebengi account nero kolika.
Statement.
Unagwate banga.
For example, are you going to starve?
Yes. Na bwate ndagera. Na bwate gari.
Kaka maswali ya naro fathers-in-law should be asking their sons-in-law. What is your social number? What is your last 6 years bank statement?
Correct.
Yes.
Correct. Bono gari katokana.
No nyome. Bakobolia maswali bunayo.
Aseki.
No nyome.
Nainia.
Anyway,
sense.
Mbiyango kobori yakekogera. I'm just
saying,
if parents were this keen, unangonomete bana bao mbachandegeti.
Gainia.
Anyway, Abasongo, they are thorough with their questioning.
DS116. Togo ichori.
Tokawe nambagete.
Tokawe na utakategawana litukeli nchwe interview.
Itukondiriri.
Chuma.
The date was 20
something.
22nd.
20 something. Of May. Narina amanyete ngaeneri charapi.
To ndama.
Yani aeneri charapi. Tumetiko interact na Basongo tata.
Ingi.
You don't know how to interact with Basongo.
Pono Mosongo nyole gatete kukwana ta kukwana.
Yani riswali a very simple question.
Interview saa moja mambi. Interview saa moja mambi.
Yani nae kwa yereti interfere pi.
Saa moja mambi. Now, and you know me very well mambi tindi kukwana. Inga Fred Machoka.
Oike.
Inche Fred Machoka. Kerona bokire mambi. I just say good morning gentlemen. You know me, I don't talk. I don't talk. No manyete. Inkina kore.
Yani ogasalipia interview. Angobono tole mumbu. Oka. Yani.
Inche mbasaliko sana iwasali.
Inkina saleti inche.
Pono toko swaba ko kuminga. Nga yeke monteke kienge ke bomba tamaboko. Noroche munoko rete igonga chinduma. Chichimwo ko imo kichimu itu. Abasongo bagaseba ya. Monkeypox to tiri mumbu. Koira natora bana bamito kwange chiri.
Kechigwa
kwange chiri.
Ay kwarange chiri ndimeli.
Unango ngumbunde ndimeli.
Ke tata. Cha. Machoka.
Numoga kondo korangeligo.
Wow. Emetamba nero maitera bego jayara.
Ni sawa.
Yani ango ngumbu to.
Ni sawa lakini rende talimangana ge kogera rende twaikirega iga. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, karibu sana. Gusi cultural night igabwa semo betete.
Yes.
Korokunga mkisi area talianene. Omo nkunyu tamameta yobo ngaini.
Nana masamba tati eti bibi kamiri yo magusi.
Igabwa semore tigato baboli sangapi. Kuna monalete otoboli sangapi. Bikoraga iga. It's 6:30 in the AM.
Ebokiete.
Igabwa tokiere.
Bali bachiete komnyoka botuko bwa bakiere nyumba barochi. Bono lende nabere gotiga bono nkwira ratoli nade tobatebya mangana maya maso masuri ya matwere.
Toko bakaribisha kabisa ase speakers baito bali abatangani na wego yo kabere tomanye kwera no batengana ki inki kaganda tega igakeja inu moko igwa mbuya mono
debono
Njebona wa ki osembwa irega abwo Minneapolis Minnesota abantu baminto nche Fred Obachi Machoka mongwana okoru gusi seito na saga korokunga gesusu nyali bali lakini iga sende iga korokunga Fred's Ranch Isinya nko bahaligania abantu baminto soko ngali bageli ogwana na inwe nche ninde omo a member say Grand Granite na inde I feel very encouraged na nyora libageli koba a member ye society over kusiba minto it gives me an opportunity go by in touch na abantu baminto bale in the diaspora. I know probably you expected me in Minneapolis. Again, unfortunately, nimbwate engagements iga. I have my radio and TV shows. Ntara tuara a scheduled reason yoko disengage na boko nyoranga igon konyoro boko sana ko eguli baga because I get that permission once in a year and on leave, and then it has to be a long leave interrupted. So I couldn't disengage Koruase ascend. But I want to say ninde nomogoko kugamba na inwe abantu mwa travel I understand abantu ande from other parts of United States koru Texas yabande korwa New Jersey abande mwarule gose Las Vegas just to congregate iga at Fred's Ranch intuno mosolitokonia naende we have a lot of nyama choma sawa ntubami ntumubwa mwanjete kolia orobaru ntubwate plenty of food and as you'll get to know probably our food comes from the ranch where tubwate chindagira awa managuchi nsaga sukuma wiki chikabichi chons chikorwa from our ranch which crops are organically grown and chava served as our guests. So should you have an opportunity, pass by at Fred's Ranch. Google Map Agarole in Kenya will lead you all the way to where we are in Isinya in the county of Kajiado. Having said that, nche nkolengia abange baminto mo manyete. I've been on radio for about 46 years now, and counting. God willing, we'll continue. Taigo sustain. Then we retire and wait to die. Bono again tonare cover tebio and aminton as a community. Ntobwate we are a very powerful community. Other than abantu korua a mountain mo inogaiga into togotara tu eligeria tole in the diaspora iga Kenya we are scattered all over in the Rift Valley, in Central, in Wagaregga, Lionsi, Western Kenya. Naboko nyoromo gusi atajetense or either area say border or say ako ni kende Lionsi in the streets pakemesi, and we are a very, very hard-working community. And that is why na inumorega wo America ogonyora omonto kwa mubolinga ngakitata naye wa igitega to nakuwari ninje nondega kwanyora omonto oruete nonyana se omujio motaka, but he's somehow managed abantu bamwe abo bakamukorera umuchango kidogo oikirega wa America. And then kwanyora nga abantu nabo batuligirete from outside bamaite ngambi ya dole. Lakini ntuana gotwara anything gigotobeka amo egere to fight as a unit. Egara bade angarende abantu kubaramo na very stronger. Lakini individually igotole very, very strong. Collectively na botole abantu toranyore no nyanaga D- asiga egegora no tole abantu bawojigo chamo kwanyora after a few days ba disintegratory obotina boke bwa soiroro kwanyora naende back to square one and to achakira fresh, because we have the desire to succeed. We have the desire and we work very hard. The kidney tuliko trust each other. In fact okonyoranga abantu na mulega some of you mubwate omonga ose ogotaka ko develop back home, lakini rende go develop back home kwana kulinga ngobono gonkonya gegara wadenga kiumbukiare nkigundi baba. You really have to be to either be there physically gose noganetio muntu kwegena atebe ngoyo nere ngotoma egeraji konya gajira no nyana agasaiga ono wa tomarende watumira no nyambesa kwa koleire okonyora through very very hard work watumira moiri nka kwa mathaire ndo tari konyakachira gasaiga nare kwa mutumira no nyene eji design yagegora nabo rengerere tinga gasaiga ka onkabwera to kobengenjogete. Some of you na mokonyora abantu bamina baya kwanyoro kwagachire buya no nyene kerogocha naye wesigori buya gwatheba na inchi na America narueterende buna tubasigete $1 ne gento kyo kumia abande tukagete nga mokonyonyora para igoro kwanyora rende no nyana kobwate $1 yao na no bwate asoko enda igakwe wasoa naye kwasikwa. But some of you, unfortunately, na mukwenyora murasa kongu sana gutumira omonto chibesa kwa mathinganya gachire gento gete abago jiritu ago jiriboli bogara umera enda taikwegeza endo akebicha yo monto odenagi umaete nyombeli aigire ga magachi bono kwale gontomere chinde yo yale koera pi ande watuma ote abono twabekira amabati one bintu bitakeirega ne ceiling na bintu gete egre tokore ne chirangi ande watu wajibasa chinde wakachibicha chiabantu by the time wogo igaga kwamanya konyoranga no nyanege kama kokelikio ko chake nyumba nkyale ngoro chibesa cyaliru ando monto kumuboli adangagi mosentige yani go kwaroje nga igo ndigete nkoberega nkwagachire nkwanya watahete kwagaje nyumba nkwale gocha ando jikolige likwanyora ngo monto no monto mino you can't fight, you can't kill him. Toko muirande egekogera no muirande igago sibwa na ende community adengo no manyete monto oli majoka olimbora nero sibete mo muromo abatada akomo sibabo saiga ngaki ngane chibesa ya mutumere tenke igakaria, you know, and that is who we are. Na bo monta ogosaleri weli at community, not because you are guilty or you did something wrong, like because what tumere to monto mino and you feel nga without you know, letting you know nga chibesa no mise dinke ose amore dero bagong nga igoro no buena de como reprimand no what even como siba egora no moibi watigarende chiayigo wadeba nga abantu bagusi abantu bosa kwabera gabo, so you suffer n'abantu base ino basafa area dalia olia suffer, not because you wanted that to happen but because circumstances in Chirico allow. So I think that the Grand Grenade is a good concept, a great concept, and kero abangwana barega abu America bante dinga we got this association to take it also. I think Lillian and Daktari abantu mwensi molega abu officials na but everything agi okobe member yeah association is not a big deal. Gegora kero muntu na abu ate omuntu okole emirimo na babu ate disposable income nke igona abajitongoro ibere ara bege kando for a rainy day. And I said again to go to is also a member ya association komanya konyoranga abantu mbali gali association barabuba tegete to enrich themselves ngakole probably a official, therefore you make decisions on behalf of the rest of the people barabu ko batenga ntwagole tegete therefore bachivas chaino no twachibege which muinoga. That kind of thing can go sit well in a community, and indeed in a grouping. Nigga recover consulted, a kerota abantu mo which co-invest mo de manaki into what the project here We have done visibility studies to accommodate enough research. If we invest in this, the ultimate goal, no make a profit, and it is for the common good. So, I like to know how different you are. And they told me that there will be no investment without consultation and concurrence the members. And members they can join the association. We come on to be recommended by an existing member. In other words, to communicate to and that gave me a bit of comforting as a businessman myself, besides being in the media. Secondly, I also think time is ripe abantu buna bumorega in the diaspora in an association, and hopefully association iwate ekerengo at some point in time mbanyale ko invest in something na endekera reinvest bunegen to buna a banking institution or a bank. Let's cut the long story short. Tuare bengi egere abantu tunyale go access loans. Manyatega Kenya, I have never seen a time toko nyora chilon chire comfortable chiko konya. Abanta bange you cannot develop without taking loans. Lakini loans here in Kenya are expensive. Yani okoire loan kwa rabuna ekwarus chibe say Shylock, because the interest rates are crazy. You can't invest in legitimate business. Loan comfortable. It's always a big problem. Whereas abantu mole in the diaspora, mokonyo oranga nabo okoakana a loan with an interest rate of 5-6%, under 10. Lakini iga Kenya timanyati se onde nanya aleko kotebia oyo konyole loan ere under 10, interest rates chira under 10. So I thinking chiwesa mubwadega abumo ikaranserete na injunto bwadenke igato ikaranserete ga era no ikaranserete ngoro inebesa. Let's pull together and see that we invest in something big. Kera konya abantu baminto egere banyale kuimuka. That is all I can say. Iga asemenyete, for those who wish to know. Iga na chete Kajiado iga in 1993. Corona golito bole mo menyete iga na golite obole mo Kaire loan, yeah, AFC, Agricultural Finance Corporation. Loan, yeah, 1.6 million shillings. In 1993, at 47,500 Kenya shillings an acre. You know, recently, current standards, beginning a single tree other than probably weeds and small shrubs. Over time, with God's blessings and a lot of hard work, we have planted a tree. It looks juicy, it's a forestry, and you know, we live here. translated to several million shillings an acre over almost 30 years. So there was a lot of, you would say, patience. Nothing comes easy. Everything takes time to develop. And then again, specifically to the young people. If you are under 40 years, you're a young person, kindly think of investing. And if you can invest in property, especially in Kenya, in a year. I'd like to wish I could take some questions here. I'm running out of ideas. When you say there is any question,
Uncle Fred, can you hear me? I'm looking at the camera. I'm talking to you here from the Lumber Exchange.
Okay.
I have the business community local leaders here, of which their leader here is Mr. Nyamari. I don't know if you have a word for them.
Almost Nyamari. First, congratulations, whoever came up with this idea. If we can't get to be rich through this idea, through it, money-wise, network-wise, the fact that in Minneapolis, Mississippi River, I feel blessed. Again, in fact, we should have a Zoom meeting from time to time. But so having said, I just want to say now, Kamura Anja Timova, who have headed associations that end up injuring the community, where instead of taking care of the little investment that they have entrusted you with, and then an association disintegrates, and then all you have developed all your life, in spite of the fact that in 1 month your name very soiled beyond repair. That is all I can say.
Thank you so much, Uncle Fred Machoka. Now I would want to ask you, in case somebody is coming from Nairobi, going to Isinya, how easily can they find you? Do you have a website they can look into? Before they come, they can know if they have a place to stay, they have something to eat, and they are going to enjoy the meal made by our Kenyan people.
We have gone that far, not very advanced, but coming to, once you are in Nairobi City, actually you activate your Google map, Fred's Ranch Isinya, Fred's Ranch Isinya, and Google map will bring you right up to the gate. We are 58 kilometers from the city center, which will be something you can calculate. It is 58 kilometers. We now have about Egarole city center para tuanyolire ebwekaine chirichire Houston Mokorwe city center oko nyaka paka sagoro kunga mlolongo about 14 minutes. After that river, umanyago ruarori radio, umanyago soaga jam kalegitengela keigo, and you are back. I mean, you are right, Fred's Ranch. We have a website, Fred's Ranch, and on our website you will find our contacts phone number, and if you call that number any time of the day, you will find someone to help you. But just in case you want to call from there, the number is 0792 56 4243. 0792 56 4243. Yes, we do have accommodation. It is a limited accommodation. It's limited accommodation, a few cottages. But if you want to do camping and just sleep in a tent, we got a secure place within our premises, and we can arrange for a camping station or a camping form of accommodation where accommodate even up to 50 people, but that has to be by prior arrangement.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you waking up early in the morning. So wakisi wenzangu, you can see Uncle Fred is addressing us from Isinya Farm, and we have a little documentary about the farm which we can be showing a little bit later. The business people who want to venture into farming, the ranching business, Uncle Fred is your go-to person. And how best can you do that? Go through the Grand Diaspora Circle. When you go there as a member, trust me, Fred will give you a discount. So Uncle Fred, allow me to give them a 5% discount when they come. They need to mention their GGS number. Thank you so much. We appreciate you, sir. I know it is really early in the morning.
Problem. Thank you very much for giving me the Abausiva Minto, thank you. It is nice connecting with you, and station ya organized this. I thank you. This is a great thing. I wish you a lovely stay and party. Moskonto miranenya sao tuanjira. Asante. God bless you.
Uncle Fred Machoka Roga from Isinya Farm, Kenya, Africa Kusini. Mashariki, nimesahau hiyo. That is good enough. So I would want to welcome Mr. Nyamari here so we can give a shout out to our local leaders. And then from there we'll have our sister Rhoda Moronge coming here, followed by Henry. And the drill goes, from there we can have a little documentary from the ranch. And guess what? Somebody else is coming in. Na hiyo wacha tufungie hapo. Aya Nyamali bono wata.
Gambwatira Sister Lillian. Hello. Hello. Order, please. Now we are going to switch gears. Yeah, I take this opportunity to thank the organizers who have tirelessly taken their time to bring us here. It has not been easy, but this is what we have achieved. I know some have not made it here because of the logistics of parking and logistics for the location. Next time, we will do better. So we apologize in advance. for those ones who had the inconvenience. So, my name is Simon Nyamari, one of the members of the Grand Granite Circle. This is a new incentive, a new initiation, and a new venture, as you have been told. So we know that with God's help, we reach somewhere. I've listened keenly to what Uncle Fred has said. And hello? Some members are talking, please. Let us give ourselves some silence. Silence, please. Yeah. I know this is not the time for speeches, but this is time to get to know each other and at the same time to socialize. So we'll take just a short time to recognize a few people, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay. Now, can I see those members, the circle members from Minneapolis, please? Wherever you are, can you stand up, please? Tenenango. Those are the members, the Grand Granite Circle members in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Minneapolis, St. Paul. When we talk of Minneapolis, huh? Oh, like this? Oh. Okay. Hello, those ones who are there, can you please come over? We wanted to recognize you. So these members are going to disseminate or to give out the information about the Grand Granite. The ones who have seen standing are the ones who have joined, and they know what the circle is all about. Because if we start talking about the circle now, we will take a long time. But these members, we have Sister Josephine, Bwana Wata, in the rest. So all, Mr. Ndubi, all these are here. And if there was time, I would have given them time to speak. But because there is no time, I've just recognized them as I've done. So you can sit down, and then, yeah, actually, clap for them because they are the pioneers. Next, I would like to recognize the community members who have joined us because they want also to know what we are doing and spread the word so that they can, we can get more members to come and join. And on behalf of those community members, community leaders who are here, whom I cannot name all of them, but I know the president for BAS Foundation is here, Mr. Henry. We have Brother Zabron Araka. We have Mr. Ombuna. We have Tom Onyango. We have so many of us. But I will ask one community leader to come and say a word on behalf of all these leaders that are here. And so when I do that, please forgive me because I would have given all of you to speak, but we don't have the time. Now, can I ask Mr. Sam Ogoro to come and say a word on behalf of these community leaders who are here, please? one of the community leaders. I can see Mr. Pius Raini. Yeah, okay. So just 1 minute and say something about our community.
So do I stand here or behind
there?
Yeah. Podium. Podium. The thing, you guys can hear me? Abantu baminto mbiyamole. Mbiyamole naende. I was given it. So I think abantu mbiyamwaro beretigenteke. Ayanda pamente no yogo jukobae nenia. Magoso ndi onde katoko barusia magoso ka. Next time, koto koro beligenteke. Na watu amenyera alie megondo moino, jisababu, kiango, iga ase muatore enta ase address. Abaminto, they will bear me witness, but konyore address njatnyo bokong. And we don't see why Togocha, Tochawakana, Tochakoraki, in the Torana next time, the address era Tokonye. Again, yeah, because it's so hard. No, I know na comba, a carabuna and Jomate. No, I never committed name Manete or Rongo Maru. Yes, Nico, what are you not going by there? Now, in Debbie. One other Ogunagi, you got in the Guacanamara Cabere, was said, you got into Haitani. A year Cabere. When you brought Gerenemwara, then diaspora, Sako, and all this. Next time, I got to go to the event. Ka kidene into the autora, into more the regente. A tolentere, Nande Toiguna, Nakito, Kora, Nanem, Karakim, and Jerakere, Buyakere. The next time, Buyakere. Gagere, coming Buyakere. The next time, but to involve. Tua abatara Kenya tua na itu tua but kai ni putime ini tua be kerabago cha tua nyana nge to ka ne kia ne kemoto kora igo abantu baminto mbiamono sana we would have a better or more audience than this, but because of the address abande bakanya kobana abungai ngai nduto kabadebne nduto katokendo tuodie tuaigira. So next time toriye asarabuga elinde abantu baminto ba inde baiko no yobwate ebintale gotamera ibirubororo ntoko tebambiyamono njogoro nina te gwa karu jinko biya goto te gota manyeti moja mbili bana hey ababaga to tengeira timu elia bangina nero ne takiri toje bange nero ke kanya goto tengera iga no nero tuanya ra kera to bwate graduation kwa barangeri buo to ko batiga nakao chagoja nagosenga ibakare nganga ibakare nane ya abangina bari njira bagotenga abantu bandi mbarayiga ndundu amete tuabiarira abana ndobwata abajogoro abangina abandi mbanyuamire mbabwata abana mbabwata abajogoro abandi mbaro batagete kunyuamwa nebona ka okole nyonga iga no litakoba mwana wale no litakoba Ora na kyo mugungu ya ta koba nare na holi gereti. Nje bono ngote bana akakurubu akapegete uniform. Akakurubu akapegete uniform. Nare mogo wanza kongamba kingo kwa na bakungu aba. Onda atiko beka nyonga ida. Atiko kora ika na kibaba. Oyo no muga ko yo me yakatana omogungu oria ta konyomeka. Ta konyomeka kozuna no lebia. Oria bono oyo ayomo onya ko ikara no mosacho koroje no riga saleti. Oyo orio karanze no saleti. Oyo ne rari redi na bamura na gyota baiga. Abantu ba minuti gamba tabiga. No, I'm a community leader. Give me 1 more minute. Mbiyamono sana. Next time when you bring us, mwara ta koseneji credit kosengi bibionzi na otole intua banyane tora. Next time mogoja ga kinyamali mbiyamono sana as chairman yebintebi mwatolikia tualeta borabu asdoko nyora na aria elide tuaba na kitokaba makobi moto wake hey ogorokori.
Asante sana somo wako gorosa mangana iwa kwanile. Again, tota iun kelingana tevanga, we are sorry for the inconvenience. So now I will hand over to my sister to continue from here.
Thank you again, Mr. Nyamari. Thank you, our community leaders. For those who didn't know, Mwaka Ugorona Mwamumanyire. Kero mochino wato monto ko bago kinando ko basekia, so that is at least good. Yes. Yeah. How best to have those people at all times when you feel down, that at least there's somebody who can make you laugh, there's somebody who's going to pinch you, but you may not feel pain because, hey, that's your brother. That's where he comes in. We're going to welcome our sister Rhoda Moronge for a few minutes, and then thereafter we're going to have Mr. Henry also follow up, and then we'll give you another little juice coming after that. Aya makofi kwa dada, alapowasiri hapo, anatembea kama tausi, ameshavaa ile inaitwa embaliri. Dada ndiye huyo.
Na bakwa nirimbi ya mole mwensi. Nje noli bakoronga nga Rodo lio Facebook, Rodo YouTube, Rodo the family messenger. Wano chinsa tiarire. Wano chinsa tiarire tingo chokukwana moronge na roli karanstaria. Mugako imonkwane. Monkwane nga moronge wanombu yore.
Moronge nere mbujare. Nalero, sombo na gimwale. Mbujare, Rota nere. Akari moronge. Akara mwanga. Akachaka mwanja. Mwaira ngore program nagendete. Ase igo mokoro Roda ali Facebook na iga batebiga abagaga kabega mama oga na takabwati mogaga mugagi Roda na kikiagera na cha digaba manyana no bwato mogaga no ana kera malika sinde ko soma ekiria sisna ra kwalika ali ko to somia okwanya na begete bengo soma Igo abantu ba karati kanda kwana abantu bande mbate banomong noyo usalekire ngatakeroji ngagiatakeroji kare no mugaga inu bali motakero inu motakeroji omong noyo oto Bono na kamera ji ndubole tuarua ntuaro chigu bono irure ne inchu mororu. Ne jinsa chiana jiare tikangende. Mbiyamo sana nje nare ko batebiga omong noyo ero model yetu ase community na bande mbare bakora koruta makindi ba chagokaga na tokali noro jibuno sokoto mugako baka bone karago so mana njeno mugako roda ngobe kale birore karongo mwali baka injuga iga momanye na ande ba community onda to batebiga gaki amasomo mongino yago toa subscribe na ande nyabuati tikako subscribe na kusembesa ko tikonyora nyabuati omanya ko subscribe. May God help us on our intriodi no munga ko ne ro yorende buna moro charega bali moko nyakomuruta matija manya no munga kane royo okonya ko kindio mongna na mongna lika omongna teva na kia baga kaba bere bobe teva nara mo baso kagara ne mejima koru. May God help us. Mbiyamana sana
thank you so very much for inviting us to at least give some wisdom about the SACCO. I was told a few months ago about it, and I'm still working on it to see how I can get in. You've been told about my wife a lot, and she has told about herself a lot in Facebook and YouTube and all that stuff. I'm the personal producer of what she produces. So whatever comes out on Facebook or YouTube, I'm behind it. So thank you so very much for welcoming her into your bedrooms and your sitting rooms, because I know you watch those things in there. Thank you for doing whatever you do, but don't go overboard, you know. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oinere moronge. Owe, nasuka mwante mbera. Okay. Okay, inje nare goteba nga mbiyamona sana so oko twaliga niga asa mangana ya SACCO nare ko batebi nga omugusi ase twabeta n'abantu banchita magenderero. Abana baitu basomire abantu banyari ko bagogenda chinse awao aso kwerigeria abantu babyoke botaka mboli permanent ona singenche egentege kyale koligererigwa igoro ya cultural view about poverty and wealth inka ekera abantu barenge gokina omonto kware konyora ng'abantu bako adopted omonto adopted ochiko oirwa ayo kwenyara oirori otari kwenyara abana bali batari kwenyara bachiko byoka gose osagari ng'ombe bachiko kama egere mwabyoka nakio konyorera mang'ana ya SACCO bona chiramo egere to uplift one another naende banegento barenge ng'a omonto ekeraroche omonto amenyete obogima bwanse monto tare gochayonde bare kumoimokia bamoa nere bamochakiria obogima egere nero nyara kobaga kobioka monto yo mokabiokire omochie abantu babioka na bono toikaraste iga nkonyora no monto nara ogose no motangi osomiri abana bamwabo monsi pipi omochiani nere etaya yenka bono abantu babiokire omochie oyo bono mang'ana ya SACCO buna chire monto moto konyara gokora yebweka ntubono muna abantu abandi bagotiro gochigotebia abana ng'ebinto ngokora nkare gochia ogotebia bine biawo abantu abasaba bakemwakorire chisukuru mubwate chibese mokwenda muna bono abantu bande basoire turaberingi bagoturaberi baewesa mugoko babogori basinyunki bagokorera bamanya gochaka komenya gochwara chibese kogore ebinto bitaisaini mbasi buying chigari ng'a competition nere ligwache kwagore gari esomete Wone kwanyara nga bantu mbali gokora magenderero guchandos. Ase igo bono ebese ike yatokire nyegacha asonyeroche egerecha kogokonya nayo genderere urwo butako bume. Ige gente kene gento kiamana sana. Nataka gukwana igoro nga umusacha gosomo gaka igakonyara kobaga ko igubo besano feeling are incompetence ekerata bwati chibese naende kerare aro mutaka akoranga tari kwenyara koba musacha senkeyo bono kare kware konyanga umugaka are kugenda origie ni boreta umukungu okunga nyumba bone kero twachire diversity yachire bono twensinkoreta tuli ekero tokoreta kwanyora ng'omusubati oretire nengere igorake kobweyo omogaka amatara bwamanya gosomo chioyo abantu bachakire eriomana chibesa chiare koreta omorembe chikora omokungu aseke bono chibesa chiaretire chisegi ase chinyomba igo mono egento buna eke giasa konare kobata eng'ense yachenchiri abagaka baitora mokia onde bwensi nkoreta are ebesa nyomba terikirikieni mobwaterane egente kenene no gwanchana motebererani naria mang'ana asaka ararete eng'enche ngi yase chi family chiito tobe no morembe egento giachirangeri ng'abantu bachakire gosoa chisake echi na kogacha chibese bobisi chiamanyire koba ogokora ebinto gechini gose mwakora mwensi amoriri moroche nkobioka mogochia omogaka orengerera nkoreta mupango gwa kando mbeka tochitakune bona abang'ina babeire kamacho batebire ng'ebesa yane nero otarora bono obokong'u ebore chinyomba chikoge mware ng'wancha moba abasani eyare kobabuya motebererani ng'a bese nchiri kogora bese nchibwati kende onye mwancha nimboyo wakore abang'ina baimokire bakorire ebinto bobisi arinka bona abantu nabi bagoterera ekiagera akorete bobisi osunyugocha gotebia omogaka ng'a nonyande iga nindire okagete bona ebinto biasirera the same case no omogaka nere akori egu bobisi igo bwaterana abasayi barimo taranywoma basayi barimo bono mora manyana ng'a chibese nchiko wakora momenye no morembe tagofiga choices china ase chinyomba ase eng'encho ya ebese ekero mwanchaine na gotebererani ento kiomori abagaka kebese yachire manyang'e obogima bwachenchiri takomigera omong'ina eboriti mono ng'a kerento nesako kegochi kwanga komogorera ekerimpurindi rende nere arorekane bono nyomba bokong'u otingete efurichi igere embuti ng'a chibesa chigenda esako chibesa chigenda amagendero chigenda esimiti omonto oyo rende ere gachire esukuru akare konyora ebesa yaye oroche nachatororeti igo banga moramenye obogima bore oboitongo mogenderere ento kiomoerio omogusii igare konyora chibese ase enchera ere endonge ogotebi ng'a chiero okoboka oko ng'ora tari competition bono eng'aki twaikire abanto bachakire chitabi chimbe chiokonyora chibese morocha amang'ana munamenyoka iga igagotosareri erieta abanto bakoimoka gokora chitabi chimbe egere baonie banyore chibese iga abasayi baito abagaka baito tiga gokora ebinto bitabwenereti ng'a koba omotachiri tiga kweonia egere onyare konyora koba ne chibese omogusi agoteba chiera okomosi ng'ora tago-compete and don't sell yourself. Let us maintain our values and morals. Buno mogusi nonya twaikira America aga. Egere muna chikanturi chindi na intu totenene with our morals. Kogo eta guchia buno ino mogusi abuna abantu babwatetie culture. Ugotacha muneru wote. Tari buna bagusi bale hoya ovyo. No, let us stand firm. Kogo tenganje no mogusi na lyogo teba nerieta ligiya ogotara buya. Nere ganga yo mogusi korukare ng'a tomenye with good values. Totenene imara nechi value cheito onyo twanyorire cultural shock toire ng'ora toranie tonyore pakis twarwete egere tomenye no morembe biya monaso.
Thank you, Sister Rhoda Moronge. You can't go wrong with Madam Rhoda when she's in town. Ni wale just a few of the genes that are rare. Before we bring our brother Henry here, I wanted to inform you that we have Equity Bank representative on that corner over there. You have a problem opening the account back home, they're there to help you. You want to invest back home, they're there to show you the way. We have Madam Julie and George. Jeff, yes, Jeff, George, and Jeff, they're there from Equity. We're gonna have some more sponsors coming in on the July the 3rd. That is Sunday. You are all welcome. So, brother Henry, omo machoge bali batali kuliera chinchoke mulero. Ebu piga miguu hapa waambie tunabanto chinkororo.
Thank you. Mbiyamana moswati minto. Okay, mbiyamana moswati minto majoge. Asoko ngaliba, asoko ngaligania. Na injinga kwa na ba minto ba grand night. Mbiyamana bantu minto. Good evening. Ogora and the group, I'm talking. Please. I want that woman to sit down because I'm talking now. Please. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Abantu aminto. Mbuyamono so much. I want to thank you so much. Leaders, Grand Night, directors, Asoko Nyoranga, abana bami no ba Minnesota, ninka mwaletire egrupo ya itechega iga elinde na intuto manyenga Grand I think community Kimbu Yamana, so we thank you so much for that. Again, the commander but having Galina, I got to the bone heroic. I want about quantity. I don't want to repeat that. 3 Minnesota. Minnesota, you carry Skogali. And then talk one among you. I think the next time we talk about we are Monaco. My name is Henry Momanyi. You are going to the community director, or say communication director, about Kenya in Minnesota. That's why I'm going to have Galero. Believe in 1/3 of the population of Minnesota. Now, again, take a grand night. Negain to King and Jomono. Abantu, you can agree with me. And I want to be very brief. Inga, abantu minto bata create union for so wrong. Lakini edogote moto ikas tuanyora sambuno ndogo pefuturu. Lakini abalero unaba jireiga. Pote mine sina vere na barabu na interacting na barabu. I think I can see a light at the end of the tunnel. Inga, they are organized. They are blunt and they are more organized than the other groups. Nakinda teko bate vedi que ndeka mo igalero iga. Ga ki ko tokuru alero. Wadi bande bataja alero. Tokende to bate bina ki egen to kerika to koligia. Ya chirega iga seito. Dito ko riba ko te to ja komerana. Ki aramba buate egen to kende ko chagocha. Less than a week or so from now. Toba te vi un torito come eres tu aquí terrero que era hasta yo tora. I got abantu vai tomba gocha o gorna ku na bande ba kuanire. Toba te vi aquí asnaroro. Abantu vai toba ba comfortable ba gocha bata bo atiboba. This is a very important thing. This is a cooperative is a very important institution. Chibenge moro jijere sko gaiga. Wells Fargo, TCF, Huntington, you name it. They started like one of the and the problem because of the events have been running outside there. So forgive me, I can go drop. Forgive me about that. So I can talk about the my sister and the chairman and the treasurer plus the general membership here. We support you. I want to assure that we support you. And some other members, we support this group because it's a good thing for us. We have been longing for it. It's only but this one, I think, the way I've seen it, take a step ahead. Let us go with this one. Let us support it. Nande, when we are going to meet next time, I am not even a member, but I want to be a member. I want to know how I will be a member. So do you and those other people who are outside there. Trust me, if I become a member, if Oworo becomes a member, that's it in Minnesota. Everybody will join it. These are opinion leaders, but who are here. The young nigga will see abandonamiento. Gaki katore meeting une yega. Tiato kwa nigga will see na namoke umwensipi. The grand night. Omondorio jaga te yerole taro yo benefit anything. Omondorio jaga te gente ke. Orio jene concept yega. It's not even wanting to benefit anything. I want to benefit in Jen na want to bande. The only thing to do let us come, sit down, listen to them. Una want to say to have a tegerere. They really carry the cultural night. Barato te vi even caron terkisa to whatever. Terkisa to. Na vi So I want to tell you one thing. Let us mobilize. And we will work with them to give venue in Gia, Abangaba Jororo, families of Jororo, we want everybody to come with this family there. So that we can see ingredient about the table. Mr. My brother, Simon, thank you so much. Thank you so much. All that you have done tonight. This group, we can't take it for granted. Please, we thank you so much, and we hope in the next near future, it's like a week or two from now, we will meet somewhere. You tell us how we can benefit from the grand night. Do you support me on that? Do you support me on that? Thank you so much, and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Henry. Thank you for your patience. Again, to remind you, we have Equity on the side over there for your financial advice. They are ready to kick you off, rolling like a stone to your investment. And right now, we are getting ready to bring the Jews for the night. I was telling you, Mwana Kendra is in town as he prepared to come up here. Those who like Ekegara, there is a side on that corner over there, which is closed for you to go and make your noise over there. So this side here, we are a little calm. If you're here, let's have some fun of just listening and getting happy. So DJ, hebu tuende kazi. Yes. Okay. Mwana Kendra, it's your turn. We are waiting for you.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah. You want me to? Okay. Let's go.
So, how are you?
Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Go waiting.
Sound check here. Right. Yo, mambo vipi? Bwana Kendra, Super DJ Bosaya on the mix.
Bwana Kendra Jazz Baba. Wikera chakerense, obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense, obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense, obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense. Obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense, obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense, akile ngora ngora, wikobeiro monene. Akile ngora ngora, wikobeiro monene. Mwana gakwe iborwa, mwana gwikara mame. Mwana gakwe iborwa, mwana gwikara mame. Aikaranse, wika chake kwa gura. Aikaranse, wika chake kwa gura. Tenenere birogo, echimesera tare. Tenenere birogo, echimesera tare. Ta, genda gende na magoro. Ta, genda gende na magoro. We, usombo pacho. Kwani yo kaza ya bongo, anyamba ya motemo. Zakius Jarastafari. Hey. Exe. Obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense. Obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense. Obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense. Obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense. Hey. Wika chakerense mos. Wapi Steve J. Mwisi mukomu. Omano momura. Gakikera gokina. Omano momura. Gakikera gokina. Roiseri koro koro. Dia masakwera rundi. Roiseri koro koro. Dia masakwera rundi. Arunde ngora ngora. Wikobeiro monene. Arunde ngora ngora. Wikobeiro monene. Mano munyaroka. Kakikera gokina. Mano munyaroka. Kakikera gokina. Acharale usi. Pancha 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 geri. Acharale usi. Pancha 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 geri. Arubana. Wikobeiro monene. Ay, arubana. Wikobeiro monene. Giren. Pancha. Pancha geri. Pancha. Where? Ay. Moyo. Yang achali koroche. Nani aka Muche. Obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense. Obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense. Obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense. Obogima bomonto. Wikera chakerense. Wiko chakerense. Hey, la gomi. Onda chakerte keyboard kirkia masas. La cheke petiri. Ono ni yesti. Hey, nakika.
bw'omuntu inkorwanze mpaka igoro obugima bw'omuntu inkorwanze mpaka igoro inkorwanze mpaka igoro yani igoro mpaka nze inkorwanze mpaka igoro yani igoro mpaka nze tochayo yomino okoba ngatabwatye tochayo yomino okoba ngatabwatye naye twechaya ingoko batogwatye
Soka mintogo chango onje mwatwana lisango Keka kirege turere nkongo buno muburera Soka mintogo chango onje mwatwana lisango Keka kirege turere nkongo buno muburera Kura, kura okoyeiwe kurera ne Kura, kura, mwana kitingo tobana Kura, kura okoyeiwe kurera ne Kura, kura, mwana kitingo tobana Kwamburiko monte mere more togo chaya kura Kwamenyayo monte mao ibisero nganya kura Wake bambora seke bambire weko bamboka naye Wake bambora seke bambire weko bamboka naye Kwamorosere nagero ikota oimokero gochaya Kwamorosere nagero ikota oimokero gochwa Kura, kura oiwe kurera Kura, kura, mwana kutinko tomatora Kura, kura oiwe kurera Kura, kura, mwana kutinko tomatora Wakabeza monde besa besa Kariko ira naye kura kura Monya nyimba kobote bosaigo Tali na mama kaye kura kura Koko moiro montobo kami Oga tobo toku kura kura Mama choro moraya gambo Kura mirere kura Kura, kura iwe kura Kura, kura Mwana kutinko tomatora Kura, kura iwe kura Kura, kura Mwana kutinko tomatora Korete kendoriro togo kura Onye tibesa chokipara Uchezo kaponyoreza Emijo kogerira ye togo kura Nalbanda star Ustoki nota Na wake uchana mta Na mafanzo ta Nipo juze dasa ayobe sisi nati kato Kukota Sepe kunefa kwa Soka mintogo chango onje mwatwana lisango Keka kirege turere nkongo buno muburera Soka mintogo chango onje mwatwana lisango Keka kirege turere nkongo buno muburera Kura, kura okoyeiwe kurera ne Kura, kura, mwana kitingo tomatora Kura, kura okoyeiwe kurera ne Kura, kura, mwana kitingo tomatora Kwamburiko monte mere more togo chaya kura Kwamenyayo monte mao ibisero nganya kura Wake bambora seke bambire weko bamboka naye Wake bambora seke bambire weko bamboka naye Kwamorosere nagero igota oimokero gochaya Kwamorosere nagero igota oimokero gochwa Kura, kura okoyeiwe kurera Kura, kura, mwana kutinko tomatora Kura, kura okoyeiwe kurera Kura, kura, mwana kutinko tomatora Wakabeza monde besa besa Kariko ira naye kura kura Monya nyimba kobote bosaigo Tali na mama kaye kura kura Koko moiro montobo kani Oge tobo toku kura kura Mama choro moraya gambo Kura mirere kura Kura, kura okoyeiwe kurera Kura, kura, mwana kutinko tomatora Kura, kura okoyeiwe kurera Kura, kura, mwana kutinko tomatora One nonsense in the building. You wanna Kendra Tena.
yaringi ngakonyoru sigara nicholali bandra umwana we Rastafara nagurete pizza namona chikeni masara keri keri namanji wasivunga nyakerario ngwaka simu yane tori kubuguria ayego kubuguria wote bamfurizo wate ayego kubuguria wote bomukopo wate vete guante vetingore bono na ondenero naga nenkonyome chombe chane kagora nyoma ya videsi
right now. Hello. DJ, shikilia kidogo DJ. Buyamore minto. Buyamore. Igoto lega courtesy of the Grand Granite Diaspora Sacco. Yego kweresa ngakiota kire kutoka si Sacco. Nchengorunga mwana Kendra. Msanii wa kizazi kipa East Africa, Kenya, Uganda, TZ. Super DJ, let's go. Yakerario akaenda katikere vete.
Mwana Kendra tena. Yakerario ni kikia vete. Ugandi kere vete. Yakerario ni kikia vete. Ugandi kere vete. Kikia vete. Ugandi kere vete. Yakerario ni kikia vete. Ugandi kere vete. Ichikamiri haringi ngakonyoru sigara nicholali bandra umwana we Rastafara nagurete pizza namona chikeni masara keri keri namanji wasivunga nyakerario ngwaka simu yane tori kubuguria ayego kubuguria wote bamfurizo wate ayego kubuguria wote wate vete guante vetingore bono na ondenero naga nenkonyome totiga bunu ame chombe chane kora nyoma ya videsira kwarete masara soka butara tara yakerario yakerario ni kikia vete ugandi kere vete 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 sasa vertikali wewe jodi penda fasi na uchanga karatasi na uwache mitikazi na manisha ujepesi penza tempa kasi tumalize hiyo kesi yo twende tumene sura tumalize na kuspora na sitaki kutoka ninakata nyakerario
nimedaka nyakerario Right. Courtesy of Diaspora, Grand Granite Diaspora Sacco. Tuko hapa leo ndani ya mjengo kama kawaida. Kumbuka hii ni sacco ambayo inakuwezesha kuweka hela zako mle ndani halafu pia ukafaidi baadaye. Kumbuka pia Equity Bank ni miongoni mwa wale watu ambao ni wadhamini katika swala zima la the Grand Granite Diaspora Sacco. Kumbuka leo ni Gusi Cultural Night. Tuko ndani ya Lampa Exchange Minneapolis kama K. Nipo mwana Kendra DJ. Let's go.
Yo, one nonsense in the building. You're mwana Kendra. On the beat. Nakutaka unita. Only ninafikiri tafakari kifahari mistari nimechora kiwaziri zaidi ya kushwari usijali nimekali usiri bebe kali siku zote we mnafiki na hela zikiisha kuthamini au nitaki nasikitika sana mapenzi ni kama deli na ni hali ya stubu na kuchuza mita siri moyo kaza kutesima nichuwae sote mita anugulina leti nao leti demu takudisi na matali ya kudisi utafikiri mimi kosi na makasi utakazi ya gani julikane duniani kisha utazama kutizama jia
nakutaka unitaki nakutaka unitaki nakutaka unitaki nakutaka unitaki
nakutaka unitaki kisha sina sensi nakutaka unitaki nakutaka unitaki nakutaka unitaki nakutaka unitaki kisha sina sensi nakutaka unitaki nakutaka unitaki nakutaka unitaki nakutaka unitaki nakutaka unitaki
It's Royal babe.
Selina kuja to dance
Mimo bisana mana kendra Mimo bisana mana kendra Selina wakinai I want fanya gas now 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 wanitesa mama wangu wanitesa mama Selina oh my I love you Selina oh my I love you Selina nakupenda kwangu nadai na kukunda njopa bula mtare mama uwebete kwangu chanda ongeka nimeketi na mapenzi nimetanda Kireke unasimama kama latengu kwanda Nashika na meja na ngata kama mwenzangu chui Mimi simba wa mapenzi, wengine mimi sijui Mimi simba wa mapenzi, wengine mimi sijui Wanna candy Me lover Me lover Selina wakinai I want fanya gas now 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 Selina wanitesa mama Selina wanitesa mama Selina oh my I love you Selina oh my I love you
Selina unapinda kama misamo beto sura yako mama kama nini yani changu right rumba wapenzi wa rumba
wana kendi
kwa hiyo rumba
baba yangu wa mituringa niko hapa baba yangu wa mituringa niko hapa niko zangu Marekani sana roho na niko zangu Marekani sana roho na katikitaka saa yangu kisa kweli kupenda katikitaka saa yangu kisa kweli kupenda moyo unaumia sana roho inadunda sana moyo unaumia sana roho inadunda sana I wanna let it go 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 come on now I wanna let it go I wanna let it go watoto tugawane, panga uje one, ni epukani, panga uje one, ni epukani. I wanna let it go, let it go. I wanna let it go, 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 I wanna let it go.
Napiga simu ina right. Mambo vipi lakini mko fresh? Naitwa Mwana Kendra, msanii wa kizazi kipa East Africa, Kenya, Uganda, TZ. Tuko fresh barida. Kumbuka DJ. Yo, umogi mama chungu tunafunga sherehe. Kujeni wote kumaliza sherehe. Tunafunga sherehe sasa.
Mwana Kendra. Umogi mama chungu. Nigogoro bosenzi. 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 Bosenzi bobe. Umanera gose, gaki poko mokumi. Umanera gose, gaki poko mokumi. Umukunguera gose, poko bugia no nyama. Ukunguera gose, poko bugia no nyama. Sesene kemo, musacha nere na mbanye. Sesene kemo, musacha nere na mbanye. Every vision every orangere kiambeje meje mo 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 911 Aizaporo siepesa Nigokoro ikokomye Egera yoragere Nale kenyo basani Ewe wakane nyumba Wanyeruke mortgage Egere wakane room Wanyeruke insurance Wade wakane simi Oyeruke phone bill Wakane siti Internet na mache Oh child Internet na mache Every vision every orangere kiambeje meje mo 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 911 Jinse chiga chase ko to esta no nyane moño tache no nyane bad aye mi go cheche obo elio ovio naro we go ni chene smile is come aye go ye chun do so chato tikiti ilo yana ya kane Kenya iko negia Tanzania negia Africa negia Resantorigo chora Okormane compliment Yo Bogi mama chemu Nigo boro bosen Bogi mama chemu Nigo boro bosen Bogi mama chemu Nigo boro bosen Você kuhinga machenu ingoboro obusenzi bobe umanera gose gakipoko mokumeni umanera gose gakipoko mokumeni umukunwera gose tokovugia nonyama kunwera gose tokovugia nonyama esesenekemo musachamere nabanyi esesenekemo musachamere nabanyi Evitishone binke Kurange kyambeje neje mo 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 911 Ayatoro siempre mi bokoro goikokomye Egera yura giri Nadia kenyo basame yemo
Right, DJ. Muko poa. DJ lishikilia kidogo. Watu wami ntombia mole mwenza. Yani igotorega courtesy of Grand Granite Diaspora Sacco. Nakumbuka ni kwa udhamini wa Equity Bank na Maiga Homes pale, Optiven na zingine kadhaa. Lakini kumbuka kwa leo hii hapa, kwa heshima ya Equity Bank tumetulia ndani ya Grand Granite Diaspora Sacco, na leo ni Cultural Night. Wananiita Mwana Kendra, msanii wa kizazi kipya, based in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Kama unataka kunisupport, ingia YouTube, tafuta Albandra Mwana Kendra, subscribe to my YouTube channel, itakuwa ni vizuri zaidi. Share my songs, watu waweze kujua kwamba in diaspora we got talent. Thank you so much and I really appreciate. Na niko hapa special kwa ajili ya Grand Granite Diaspora Sacco ambayo iko na viongozi kama Lilian, Joel, Hesbon na wengine ambao siwezi kuwataja kwa majina. Kwa hiyo nawashukuru sana kwa kuweza kunipa fursa ya kuweza kusema nanyi usiku wa leo, na nawatakieni kila laheri na Mungu awabariki. Asante Super DJ. Tukimaliza sherehe, asanteni sana. Right.
Netinga, enyomo, netinga. Sagero kipotere gere yepo tete singino. Chito tene chofya kuba. Sagero kipotere gere yepo tete singino. Chito tene chofya kuba. Para mande nyuma ya mataya na bibi kaina chikutengo. Rikoro rasi kuita. Para mande nyuma ya mataya na bibi kaina chikutengo. Rikoro rasi kuita. Bari banyo mire na batara nyo batara. Tukukekeza nijasi. Bari banyo mire na batara nyo batara. Tukukekeza nijasi. Bari banyo mete na batara nyo batara. Tukukekeza nijasi. Bari banyo mete na batara nyo batara. Tukukekeza nijasi. I got on to the corner ranya. I got on to the corner ranya. Yo mira bote bana gaya. Yo mira bote bana gaya. Yo mira gayo te banate. Yo mira gayo te banate. Hierro no puro, puro batata. Hierro no puro batata.
Musiasa.
kanungo, kanungo, kanungo.
Janabi winje. Kalamo. Kuna ngoma. Janabi yana. Kanungo, 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 kanungo eteko. Kanungo eteko. Kukure eteko. Ni kanungo. Kalamo. Mana mi mana mera. Ani wala la 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 mama Ani wala la 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 gonna toma Allah come wala la kuya mo na gonna toma You know wala la kuya waya na gonna toma Wani joma dong ya ma puta penewa Kide mo dia ma we ya ya lego Kide mo na tuatia muito muito Kide mo na wetia muito muito Akoyo de no kamano kienu baba Akoyo de no kamano alugo su baba Ekibiti mochewa bako sana Mwiso mwiso dio asiro sana Mwiso mwiso diime asiro sana Biti mokurwa bako sana Kibiti mokurwa bako sana Odia mongwada lego jangoma luna tuma Odia mongwada lego jawaya luna tuma Akwani joma jamu kuda ya katungo siaya Odia mongwada lego jangoma kwana baba Janabi nene puta ya katungo siaya Janabi nene puta waga katungo siaya Siapa nene mira jangoma no miala loko diamo Siapa nene mira jawaya ne mielo chego jago Omi ono ke komari jara naga ma kokuma Chengo nago we abuta Chengo nago we abuta Ochengo kaino robot makende baba Ochengo kaino robot makende baba Sereno siempre ne muda loca Baere kago yo toma Yo wea Mosi baba Yo wea Mosi baba Ya uma ya komeja ere Mosi baba Maria mwada lego ya goma Gona toma Yeah Keramo Kuna ngo Keramo Keramo Kanungo 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 eteko Kogure eteko Kanungo eteko Ani wala la 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 mama Ani wala la 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 na na suma Akwani joma dogo mani katungo mwitu mwitu Kwani joma dogo ya katungo sele Jamalanga neni tie ne muta baba Jamalanga neni tie ne muta baba Sade ya kono kotiere katungo tuma Siapa wala lengo kia ne mota baba Otingo sami ere ne muta loka Ni sami wea neni tie kago yo tuma Samu neni tie kago yo tuma Orwenyo kaumita ne puta baba Akude chamume abarwa ne puta loka Akude chamume abarwa ne puta loka Agire magonyango jako ne moza baba Agire jangi moto yo kandi kansi Beri jakom Kanungo 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 eteko Kanungo eteko Kukure eteko Kanungo eti Ani wala la 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 mama Ani wala la 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 nago neto Keye wala nago neni ya goyo Enya Keye wala nago neni mama adwa chuere ebuta baba adwa jinselena ebuta baba.
Abana Babugi and Maggie to sing Miggy. Babugi and Miggy to sing before I invite the DJ.
Thanks for coming, guys.